Hello friends, I am Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss about one common error in XAMPP server, and that error is when we start Apache it successfully run, but when you start on MySQL it gives us this type of error, MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. Okay, now we can see how we can fix this type of error. Okay, let's see. First thing what to do, just stop the running Apache and close the XAMPP control panel. After closing the XAMPP control panel, go to the C drive, then go to the XAMPP folder where XAMPP is installed. Okay, then go to MySQL folder. In that folder there is a folder name data, and just rename this folder to any name. Suppose in my case I just want to rename this folder to old data. Okay, and also create one folder and name as data. Okay, after that what to do, just go to backup folder and copy all the things and paste in the data folder which is created recently. Okay, after pasting, go back to MySQL folder and go to old data folder. In that folder, listen carefully, in that folder just copy all the folder but except MySQL folder, performance schema folder and php myadmin folder, and paste in the data folder. Okay, just click on replace. Okay, uh, after that go to MySQL folder, then go to old data folder, and in this folder go to ib data files, copy it and paste in the data folder. Click on replace. Okay, after replace, let's see our problem is solved or not. Okay, open XAMPP control panel. Okay, so now let's start Apache and MySQL. As you can see there is no error, so that means our problem was solved. Okay, and also we can see is there any database lost or no. Just check it out. Here you can see there is no loss in database.